You tell me about leadership, Virat, and I mean, leadership is, that's why I just love doing these interviews, right? You just get to know so much more. Leadership एक अंदर knack होता है, but then you also see someone, you sometimes look up to someone. आपके लिए what was leadership? You know, what you learned from sport, maybe anything?
See, leadership, I learned from many people. I learned a lot from MS because I played majority of my career under him, the initial years. But in general, I feel leadership is firstly to be able to take responsibility for yourself. Right? If you can't take responsibility for yourself or for your own space or for your own well-being, hygiene, whatever it is, you cannot take responsibility for any other person. I had this tendency in me to follow my heart and to go for things naturally. Was the reason why I could urge everyone else around me to go for it and tell them it's fine. Trust me, it'll be okay. Because I've experienced it. You know, it's not like I'm reading it off a book and saying, come on, we have to play with positive intent. I felt it, I've been there, I've succeeded, I've failed, I've learned from failures, but that has not stopped me from trying again. So it is when you get rid of the insecurities you have as an individual, you'll be able to become firstly your own leader in your own space, and then be able to take responsibility for the others as well, so that if things go wrong, because the one thing that stops us from realizing how good we can be is failure, is insecurity, right? कि खराब हो गया तो, out हो गया तो, pass नहीं हुआ तो, job नहीं मिली तो, you know, CV गया, अब क्या होगा, पता नहीं क्या होगा, what if it doesn't go through, is the reason why you never really fully commit to it. So at a level where you realize, okay, I have tried this, I have seen ups and downs with it, now I can tell these people, go for it, I'm here, if it goes wrong, I'll take care of it, but don't stop trying.
कोई ऐसा instance, because जरूरी नहीं है जो, you know, someone I look up to as a leader might have a way of life, जो inspiring लगे, but मेरे तौर तरीके अलग हो सकते हैं. It would take me time to buy into your theory.
100%. One thing I learned from MS and other people that I've seen lead also, you cannot make everyone happy all the time. This is the absolute truth. And why that happens is because certain individuals will not buy into the intensity of what you're saying immediately. So they try to find their own comfortable ways, which you have to ignore, because the vision is priority. It's not saying कि मैं ऐसे चलाने वाला हूँ. नहीं, मुझे responsibility दी गई है. ये plan है. क्योंकि ये plan मुझे लगता है कि हमें टॉप पे पहुंचाएगी. अब ये हमारा पाथ है. अब किसी को आपने बोलना है भागो, तो किसी को आप बोल सकते हो चल भाई उठ के भाग. किसी को आप समझाओगे या नहीं करेंगे ना, तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. तो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. इतना टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे. We are not making the most of our time. You eventually want to enjoy yourself. All these small things matter. Get that guy around in a different way. But the goal is the same. He has to run. He has to run. लेकिन ये नहीं आप बोल सकते कि मैं तो नहीं करूंगा, क्योंकि वहां पे पहुंचने के लिए कोई दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, पांचवा, 6 लोग आपसे 10 गुना मेहनत करने